Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's see what is inside. Well, we have cross-stitch kits. Surprise! Oh, sorry, just kidding. Yeah, so these come from GBFKE. I'm going to move one right out of the way. And let me get it out of the bag. As you can see, it's a Joy Sunday wannabe. Oh dear. Oh no. Yeah, you guessed it. Yeah, Laura messed up. Guess what? It's accounted. Yay! And it's an 11 count, so that's a good thing. But isn't that pretty? That beautiful red rose and those lovely little butterflies. I just think they're so cute. I think they could have put some more back stitching into the rose, into these leaves and everything else, so it wouldn't look so isolated. But yeah, it is a 33 by 38. And it was $4.79. And as you can see, it doesn't say pre-stamped here. It is accounted. But it's not very big, so yay. It has 25 colors. And one color, which is 310 black, is the back stitching. And there's not much there. It is 103 by 125. We have 310 black, 321 red, I'm losing my voice, 498 red, 666 red, 814 red, and 815 red. And they have the color of the thread in the symbols, so that's how I know that they're reds. And the rest, this is green, this is yellow, this is white. It has B5200. No 939, no 3371. Yeah, very nice. And it's all on one page. So very nice. You could add as much back stitching in it if you wanted to, or as you want to. I think I'd do some dark green around these leaves and some reds around, like a darker red around the rose. Let's take a look at the threads. Comes on the loop over kind, and it does have 2 needles, and they're fairly small. There's your B5200. They have one whole little card for that, but let's just do it. There we go. That way you can see what the colors are. Aren't those beautiful reds? Just absolutely gorgeous. And those greens, see, I'd take one of those dark greens and go around the leaves and kind of bring it all out. It just needs a little something. But yeah, me getting the cross stitch done would be, yeah, a little much. And it comes with a page. Now, on this one and this one only, these are the symbols that are on here, and they're all going to match the thread card because there's no separate key for this white, this white material. It is serged all the way around. Let's take a look and see how big it is. And since it's 11 count, it should go pretty fast. So it's 40 centimeters this way, or 15 3/4 by, if I could just get it there, 34.5 centimeters, or a little over 13.5 inches. So not too terribly big. So yeah, awesome. I wonder, I'm looking, see this red line? This red line that goes this way, and does it come down the other way? No. Oh, yeah, I couldn't see it for the red flower. The red line, I'll try to get up as close as I can. This red line comes down here and intersects here. You can almost see that. That will be the center of your picture. So if you are a center starter, that's awesome. But yeah, we might give this a try. I don't know. Yeah, maybe. We'll see. But it's not too expensive of a kit. Let me get a drink. I'm sorry. It's one of those days. All right. So, the next one is also a Joy Sunday wannabe. Oh, and it's a printed. Thank you. Thank you, dear Lord. Thank you. Yeah, because this I thought was awesome. You are going to love this. Everybody go out and get it. Oh, you have to. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, it comes in the typical Joy Sunday bag. Everybody knows about that. Okay, let me flip it over without knocking you 6 ways from Sunday. Is that not cool? Can you even tell what it is? This one is a 60 by 84. It was $21.33. I'm going to bring you down so that you can see. It is the 12 Days of Christmas. And unfortunately, it's 14 count. What can I say? Yeah, I thought that was going to go the other way. I thought the first one was going to be a 14 count, and this one was going to be an 11, but no. But it is so cool. Yep, I can hardly wait to see the pattern. So it has a big instruction booklet. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pages to it. But very nice. It's going to have some back stitching. But, can you ever? It has 16 pages total. It is 306 by 408. 14 count. Oh my goodness, we are so messed up. Yeah. And let's see how many thousand colors it has. Just a few, guys. Just a few. 73 colors. I'm going to back you out so you can see what's going on. I'm so sorry. It has full stitch, half stitch, back stitch, and French knot. Ugh. It's just, I had to have this. I had to have this. It was just too much. Just gorgeous. Yeah, this is going to take a hot moment to work on. But, yeah. We will see. This may be one where you want to do the back stitch as you went along, because you really wouldn't want to have that, you know. Like, Outlast. I don't know. I thought it was gorgeous, and I am so pleased with what this looks like. I was really kind of worried. Very nice. All right, let's take a gander in here and see what's going on. Let me see if I can pull it out. Okay, we have 3 thread cards. Let me just flip it over just a bit. I'm going to separate these. Okay, that separates it. Okay, it comes with 2 needles. Let me get everybody in order so we can start at the beginning. So, flip it around. Everything's upside down. I'm having a day. Look at those colors. They're going to be nice and antique-y looking. There's a lot of thread on there for a 14 count. In some places, you know. I think this is probably like the edging or the wording or something. But very nice. Very nice. And then we have this one. Let's see if I can get them all. Everybody's mushed together. I know, I forgot to tell you what colors were in this, but yeah, couldn't wait. So sorry. And this is one that says The red numbers are how many strands you have. Then you have the DMC number, and then you have the thread card number. Very nice. And the paper pattern will not match the canvas. The canvas has its own set of symbols to match, you know, the thread numbers. So just keep that in mind. Now here, we got a few. And then you have up to 73. Let me see if I can bend this back. So they have extra of number 16 that I was telling you about earlier, and number 71, and more 71 here. So that must be parts of the wording or the background. Just, so well put together. I just can't even. Okay, let's take a gander at the canvas. It is serged all the way around. So, I mean, there's not, you know, the little pictures are going to be the most, but, yeah. The hardest part, let's put it that way, will be the little pictures, because the outside is all the same, you know, it's going to say on the second day, or on the first day, or on the 5th day. But yeah, this thing is so dang wide, I can't even. So, hang on. Hold that thought, guys. We'll just do it this way. Give me a sec. Gotta get it there. And then we'll go this way. Because so sorry. There's the 1st day. And the 4th day. And the 7th day. And the 10th day. We open it up. We have the 2nd day and the 3rd day. There's your 5 golden rings and your 6 geese a-laying. I'm trying. It's a monster. It's a monster. You know, this would be one you could just do in squares and then sew them all together when you got done. Wouldn't that be so much less complicated? And there's your cows milking and ladies dancing, piper piping, and drummers drumming. I can hardly wait to start this. And I'll show you just part of the, what do you call it? The key along the bottom. So all these numbers that run across the entire bottom are your regular cross stitch. And you turn it this way, and these are your half stitches. We know those because it's like a checkerboard. And this are the French knots. And all these, there are 21 colors in back stitching. But yeah, this is just to die for. I love it. I absolutely love it. It'll take me 100 years to get it done. But yeah, I don't know that I would go one thing at a time, or if I would go and do all the lettering and all the outsides of it, or just start with one square and complete the whole thing. I got nothing. I don't even, I'm not intimidated. I'm just overwhelmed, shall we say? Yeah. Let me tell you what colors are in there. Hang on. Gotta get a hold of it. So, we have 310 black. No, we don't. I'm so sorry. No 310 black. Okay. No 321, no 498. There's no specific reds that I know right here. Nope. Yeah. So, a lot of colors we've never ever used before. Does have B5200. And no 3371. Or that 3770. So lots of new and different colors. But yeah, is that not gorgeous? Yeah, I'm going to have to start that now. Not that I'll ever finish it by Christmas, but, you know, we can pretend to hope, right? Hope is good. Yeah, no, I won't ever finish that. Not this year. I won't finish it this year. So that is all, guys, that I got from GBFKE. Now, they do have diamond painting, cross stitch, and I believe paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all those. Let's see, what was I going to say? If I have any, what do you call it? Discount codes, I will put them in the description box below. They do have free shipping on orders over $59. And if they have any specials, I'll put them there as well. They also have embroidery. And I think that's it. And, of course, they have the 18, 14, 16, 11. I'm sure they have 9 by now. Yeah. So do check them out. Thank you, GBFKE, for these beautiful kits. I know one is going to get started, like, today. Nope, there's no question. Yep, it will. So thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.